Welcome to the first module of the Job Search Workshop. These workshops will be a little more intense and aim at provoking thought and helping you change the way you search for jobs and the way you apply to them, both online and offline. First, let us look at the dynamics of the job market. Understand the job market structure, including different industries, roles, and the demand for specific skills. Identify the economic factors and trends that can affect job availability. Industry breakdown and categorization. By understanding the structure of the market, we can identify the different industries, roles, and skills that are in demand. We will examine the economic factors that influence job availability, such as recessions, booms, and industry-specific trends. This knowledge will empower you to predict which jobs are likely to be in demand and which might be on the decline. Economic factors influencing job availability. In order to navigate the job market effectively, it's essential to understand the landscape of different industries and the roles they encompass. This involves identifying key sectors such as technology, healthcare, finance, and more, and then breaking down the specific job roles within each. For example, the technology sector includes roles like software developers, data analysts, and IT support specialists. The economy plays a significant role in shaping the job market. Factors such as recessions, economic booms, and industry-specific trends can significantly impact job availability. In this section, we will explore these economic factors and how they influence the demand for certain roles and skills. Trends in job demand and skill requirements. The job market is constantly evolving, and with it, the demand for certain skills and roles fluctuates. In this segment, we will explore current trends in job demand and the skills that employers are seeking. We'll also discuss how these trends are likely to evolve in the future and how you can prepare yourself to meet the demands of the evolving job market. Let's now touch on job market research. Conducting comprehensive job market research is essential for a successful job search. In this segment, we will guide you on how to perform effective research, including using industry-specific job boards and understanding the value of company culture. We'll also cover what employers are looking for in a candidate and how to tailor your approach to meet those needs. Industry-specific job boards and how to use them. Industry-specific job boards are an invaluable resource for job seekers, providing a curated list of opportunities tailored to specific fields. This section will delve into how to effectively utilize these job boards to enhance your job search. Importance of company culture in your job search. Company culture is an integral aspect that significantly influences employee satisfaction and performance. This segment will explore the importance of company culture in your job search and how to find a company whose values align with yours. What employers are looking for in a candidate. Employers seek candidates who possess not only the required technical skills but also the soft skills and cultural fit that align with the company's values. This section will provide insight into what employers are looking for in potential hires. How to tailor your approach to meet employer needs. Successfully landing a job requires a tailored approach that aligns with the employer's needs and expectations. This segment will guide you on how to customize your job search strategy to meet these needs. To wrap up this module, let's look at navigating online and offline job markets. The job market is vast and diverse, encompassing both online and offline platforms. In this section, we will explore the nuances of these two markets, highlighting the benefits and challenges of each. You will learn how to optimize your job search approach depending on the platform you are using, ensuring that you are maximizing your chances of finding the right job. Advantages and disadvantages of both markets. Each job market comes with its own set of pros and cons. In this segment, we will analyze the advantages and disadvantages of both online and offline job markets to provide a holistic view of each platform. Tips and strategies for successful job hunting in both markets. Success in job hunting requires a well-thought-out strategy that encompasses various aspects of the job search process. In this segment, we will share valuable tips and strategies for successful job hunting in both online and offline markets. Thank you for completing Module 1 of the Job Search Workshop. Don't forget to subscribe to the Recruiting Revolution for career prep, workshops and everything you need to stand out and succeed in a crowded employment market.